Hi everyone, I thought I'd jump on and show you what I'm now working on. I'm doing a mini Alice journal and the cover is made from a Collins Gem book which I've started using pages from. One I'm using is the butterfly book, which you can see here. So I've simply cut along here and along here and removed the middle section and then stuck down the two front and back pages. And then I've used some of the Alice paper that's in my shop, or will be, for the cover, and I need to do the inside part, and I'll reinforce this. Because I've done the spine this way, I'll use a removable spine, and I'll show you that. Not in today's video though. Today is going to be a fairly short video. So these are the pages that I'm going to work on to put inside. I may need to cut them down a little bit more. They're all tea stained, apart from the ones that have been printed on. I'll do a quick flick through. So this is based on a kit that I've done in full size, and all I've done is I've reduced it down in the program I use and then put them to a page of A4 so I could print them out, and then I've backed them onto tea stained paper. I've yet to find out if my printer is going to behave when I put tea stained paper through it. I've found that it causes it an error, so the only way I've found to do it is to actually do it separate and either double-sided printing or glue it to a tea stained page. So for now I'm just going to take one of the signatures and I'm going to work on the front page. I'm just going to put one of the pockets on. Now I haven't inked around it yet, but I'll do that now. I'm sure you've seen this done many times. I'm going to use a black archival ink. This one's been used quite a lot, so the foam is coming out off. So this is the archival ink I have. It's a Ranger 1 Jet Black. Now I've backed these with tea stained paper as well, just to give it strength, but it will also add to the thickness of the journal, so maybe that wasn't the best idea. So I wonder what you guys are making at the moment. Leave a comment and let me know what you're working on. If you've got a video, share it in the link below. I'd love to know what you're working on. I've not long finished a sunflower gratitude journal, which I sent to a pen pal, which I was really pleased with. And she's actually going to use it for a wedding memory journal, because she's getting married next month, which I thought was lovely. Just moving this a little bit further away than the edge in case I need to trim the edges. I'm going to leave that to dry before I put anything in it. I know the top and bottom are fine, but when I placed this inside the book cover, it did actually come out a little bit, so it may well need trimming down at the edges, or I might just use lace on the book cover. Okay, so I'm going to use this one in here. Again, I'm just going to go around the edges with the black ink. There's been raining here this morning, so it's a little bit dull. Not really very nice outside. Complete difference to yesterday. We had heat of around 18 or 19 degrees, I think, in the UK, in our part of the UK. It looks like the sun's now starting to peek through, but we have had some rain. So that's that one. I'm going to add some texture to that and just add a little bit of ribbon that I've got. Might make it a little bit easier to take out. For the purposes of the video, I'm just going to put that on like that, but I will probably sew that on later once the glue's dry. Now, even though I'm showing you my bottle of Fabri-Tac, this is actually a bottle that has been refilled. I get my glue from Amazon. Obviously, I'm in the UK, and glue can be quite expensive, especially when you're using quite a lot of it. So I get mine in 2 tubs at a time normally, and then I just refill these bottles. Okay, I'm going to leave that like that, and I'll smarten that up when I use the sewing machine. Okay, so that will just go in there like that. That's that page done. I'll catch you another time. My videos will probably be quite short and sweet, so that my energy levels aren't overly affected too much. Leave a comment and let me know what you're working on at the moment. Bye for now.